ice, snow, slush, and the worst things, leaves. A November snowstorm surprise. This is gonna be hard. 5 inches of snow. Let's see how the Ego Pro snowblower does in these horrible conditions. Okay guys, my phone ran out of battery, but I finished with cleaning the driveway. This was rough. It's not that the amount of snow, it's about 6-7 inches or so. It's not the amount of snow necessarily that was difficult, but it was covered with ice. And these leaves, damn, these leaves were tough. But I did manage to do it all the way. Look at this, all the way around. And I managed to cut a path for the cars. Okay, here, and then I cleaned the cars as well. And here's my 3 electric cars. And you know, it's so windy and so cold and icy, it's like a tundra. All right, but I have to tell you, let me take you back to my Ego. I'm telling you, this is an amazing machine. My 21-inch Ego and also my 21-inch lawnmower did a great job, really did a great job. I have the lawnmower and I have the snowblower and I have the leaf blower and I have the weed whacker, all Ego. I have the battery stations right here for both of them, and this is the little one for the weed whacker. You know, the 2 batteries did the whole job, got it one and done. All these items I buy them from Amazon. If you want a link below, I totally highly recommend it. I so do not miss the gas equipment that I used to use, the blower and the lawnmower and all that. So do not miss them. This is great stuff. Electric cars, solar panels, which are covered with snow now, and all my yard machines are amazing. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Go get yourself an electric Ego blower. Get the link from my link below. Bye.